Hey my lovely foodies, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I'm Samya. Today's recipe is an absolute mouth-watering cottage cheese in spinach gravy, popularly known as Palak Paneer in India. So let's quickly jump on to the recipe. For Palak Paneer, we'll start off with blanching the spinach. So for this, I have set some water to boil in a pan. And now I'm gonna add washed spinach into it. I took around 250 grams of spinach and thoroughly washed it under running water. Also guys, please do not discard the spinach stems unless they are very hard, as they are packed with loads of nutrients. So guys, it's been around 3-4 minutes now, so we don't have to boil the spinach. That's enough for it. So now switch off the gas, we are done. Now here I've taken some ice cold water in a bowl and I'm gonna immediately transfer the spinach directly from boiling water into this chilled water. Now this process will help the spinach to retain its green color. So let it sit for just 1 minute and then take a blender jar, then squeeze out the spinach and put it in the jar. We need not to squeeze much because eventually we will be needing some water to blend it. So just squeeze it softly. So all my spinach is ready now. Now let's start blending it into a fine paste. Remember guys, we need really fine spinach puree here. So blend it well. If needed, we can also add some water while blending. Now see how nice our puree has come out. So I'll show you. See how fine it has become. So this is how it is meant to be. So now keep it aside and we'll start off with the preparation of our gravy. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil. Once heated, add some fenugreek seeds. Now guys, this is absolutely optional. If you don't like fenugreek seeds, just skip this step, or you can just take it out once it turns brown. I personally like that slight bitterness and crunch of fenugreek seeds, so I'm using it. You can just go as per your choice. Now add spinach puree into it. Add in all the puree here. Now start stirring it and cook for 5 minutes until the puree has become slightly thick. So guys, generally people don't carry out this process of cooking the puree, but believe me, the gravy comes out delicious if the puree is slightly pre-cooked. Now it's been around 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, it will start looking something like this. It will become slightly thick like this. So that's it, it is done now. Now keep it aside and in a fresh pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. I've taken unsalted butter here. Now let them combine and heat up. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once it changes the color, chop 2 garlic cloves and add into it. Now add some grated ginger here. Now instead of grated ginger, you can also crush it, or instead of adding separately, you can also go for ginger garlic paste. Now add finely chopped onion here. I've taken 1 medium sized onion. So guys, I've mentioned the quantity of every ingredient at the start of the video. You can just go and check it out from there. Now saute the onion till it changes the color to golden brown. Now add green chilies here. Then after it, add some garam masala powder, red chili powder, some turmeric powder, as well as some tomatoes. So I have pureed 2 medium-sized tomatoes in a blender jar and then I'm adding into it. You can also chop it up and add, but pureed tomato give very nice flavor to the gravy. Now mix everything together like this and now add in some salt. So I'm adding around 2 teaspoons of salt here. You can add as per your taste. Now mix everything together and let it cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure your flame is at low medium temperature. Then once the masala changes to be slightly thick like this, then time to add in the spinach puree. Add in all the puree here. Along with the puree, we also need to add water. So what I did is, I took some water, around half a glass of water in the same blender jar, and then I churned it for around 4 to 5 seconds and then added that same water here in the gravy so that all the spinach puree is nicely used up. Then as soon as it comes to one boil, start adding the paneer cubes into it. Now I personally like lots of paneer in my palak paneer gravy, so that's why I'm adding it. You can always decrease the quantity or even increase it if you wish to. Now mix it well, give it a final mix. So be careful guys, do not break any piece. So that's it guys, take it out in a serving bowl and here comes your mouth-watering and delicious palak paneer. Now drizzle some fresh cream on the top and also sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro like this. Sprinkle all over the curry. Now at the last, in order to give that rich and aromatic finish, just top it up with some butter. You can enjoy this creamy and flavorful curry with some naan, roti, steamed rice, fried rice, anything you want guys, absolutely your choice. So try out this fabulous and healthy recipe at your homes and enjoy. So guys, if you like my recipe, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, please hit that bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. Till then, take care and bye-bye.